Hello, my name is Audrie, and I'd like to say we made it to the end of the 25 days of co-pilots this year, and it has been an interesting ride. I will say that I haven't been able to do all the things that I had planned to do. A lot of times it's just because of some type of constraint I have on getting a demo environment set up. But during the course of the year, I will be adding some of those things that I didn't get a chance to add. But I want to walk through kind of what you can find that was done using the AKA link on the screen here, aka.ms 25 days of copilots with no space. If you go there, you'll find that there's a page in the Power Apps community that has everything. So it starts out with the intro, and that's the video in the thumbnail, but it kind of gives you the link to the supplementary video where Bill Gates talks about AI, and I love that video, so I encourage you to read it. Feel free to continue filling out the survey if it's still open, if you have things you want to see about copilots and AI at Microsoft. I do strongly suggest you bookmark the playlist in YouTube. The reason is because everybody's videos are in that playlist. So Daniel, April's, and Eric's are all combined in that one playlist. Plus, I've added supplementary video materials from Microsoft directly whenever it complements the day that has been just done, right? So basically, these supplementary videos fall right after the video that somebody might have done. And then I share the other advent calendars that we did in previous years. So for each day, you'll see the day, a link to its video, a description, and all of its resources. And we're pretty proud of all the resources we're giving you so that this is all actionable from your point of view. I want to take you all the way down to the bottom. And in there, you'll see this solution downloads will be progressively added to this folder. I'm going to come back to that in 1 second, but keep your eye on that folder until at least January 1st, because I'll be adding stuff to it that you can download. And then I do point out where you download the Copilot Studio implementation guide and give you that link there. Okay, this is kind of important. That is for Copilot Studio, but it helps you create your own custom Copilot scenarios. All right, so if I click on this folder, you'll see that right now it only has two things in it. It has the AI Builder solution, which is all those custom prompts and prompts. Now, what that solution does not have in it is the chat bot, and that's because that's an internal bot, and so it's connected to SharePoint sites, and so it wouldn't be any benefit to you to download that bot. So that solution does not include that bot. But I may update it to include the last two custom prompts I added, because I did add two after I uploaded this one. In addition to that, there's a PDF of the deck that I used every single day. So I had some slides in most of the days that I did, and so you'll see a deck. Now, if you the links do work, what you'll do is just click on the banner, so not on the words, on the banner itself, and that will open up the video in your browser. If it is another person's video, it'll play the video here from Microsoft. So all of Microsoft videos are live. You can just press play and they'll play for you directly in the PDF. But also, if you go down to someone else's, let's go down to, I'm going to try and find someone's like Eric's here. Okay, here's Daniel's, right? So again, because it's on his channel, you should be able to click on it on the day 6 thing and get the link. So I'll go and check my links and make sure that they're active for the people who are not on my channel. And so when you click on their day, you will be able to open up their video. All right, so that's slightly different. And then whenever I couldn't embed, I will give you the link, which is clickable, so that you can click on it. And the point of this deck is really everything is in here because we had 25 days, but we also had approximately 10 days of extra content coming directly from Microsoft, plus almost 10 days coming from April, Eric, and Daniel. So this PDF kind of puts everyone together so that you have it all in one place. So again, we're just trying to make this really easy for you to kind of leverage the days that went out as you continue to look at this, because I'm sure plenty of you couldn't follow it during the holiday season because you're out there having holiday fun. So you can look at this later when you come back. Is there anything else that I wanted to share on the AKA link? So I was going to go back to the AKA link. As I have mentioned, we really appreciate you liking and putting comments on the bottom of this page. If you can, it just makes sure that the engineering teams see your comments and they don't have to go to everybody's YouTube channel to do that. And if you want to put any ideas on that page as well, that's a great idea. Now, what you'll notice is today on Twitter, I posted a little bit of a challenge. And you know what? I think there's some private information if I browse there. So I won't browse there. But on Twitter, I posted a challenge to please, if you have time, anytime before you come back from vacation, create a memory using AI art, right? And use any AI art you'd like. Any AI software you'd like to build that AI art. And what I will do when I get them all is I will post them here in that same folder. There'll be a deck with all of those folders, and then maybe the top 5 will be shown here directly like an image library. I really think you'll have fun doing some AI art. And in Twitter, I explained what hashtag to use, and you may want to mention me as well, just so you make sure that I don't miss your AI art. And I did the first one this morning. So that's it. It's a wrap, guys. That was, guys and gals, that was really fast. It felt like last week was the first. That's how quickly it ran. So looking forward to your feedback. Enjoy it. Play around with these different AI opportunities. I mean, I even suggest you go and play with any AI that's popping up on the market and just get used to what all of this means and how it can be helpful. And it'll just help you adopt it no matter what product you're in. So I enjoy kind of investigating the AI. And if it interests you, let me know in my channel if you'd like a series on AI in general. And what I mean by that, just talk about AI irrelevant to the product it supports. It's just a very interesting era that we live in, and we are lucky to be at the start of it. I have to say, this is the second big era in my life. I actually am old enough to be at the start of the internet, believe it or not. But as we continue to grow in this era of co-pilots and AI, I'm hoping that all of you take advantage of it and look at it as a positive opportunity, as I like to say, which is something I heard from one of the leaders in the space. It's democratizing our abilities. So I'm wishing you the best for the holiday and for the new year. May this new year bring with you much love, many hours of fun, and also prosperity. Have a good year. Happy New Year in 2024. I look forward to seeing you there. Bye-bye.